place value, which is our knowing our tens and ones, and also knowing the value of each of those digits or numbers. Yesterday we did the same thing. We are going to group these objects, which are fish today, group these objects into groups of 10 first, because remember, when we count by tens, it's so much easier, and then we can figure out what our ones are. Plus, tens is what we're looking at in our place value, which is our first number, like 45. 4 is our tens, our digit in our tens place, but our value is 40 because we got to look at that 0 at the end. So counting by tens, that's what we're going to do. So first we got to group our objects and put them into groups of 10. So here we go. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to go 9 here. And then 10. So this is my group of 10. So I'm going to draw this. Maybe I'm going to draw it, maybe not. Oh, and this I can't do it. So this is my one group of 10. So this is my one group of 10. Let me put a shape around it. That's going to help me. So this is my one group of 10. So there's my 10. Let's see. That should not be filled in. Fill color should be white. Oh no. Okay, let me try to figure that out. So anyway, so this is our tens. So we have one group of 10, which is 1, 0. And then I'm going to move these over so we could separate that. So then we have our 5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just so we don't get confused on those other things. So what we are going to do is from here, we are going to look at how many groups of tens do we have and how many ones we have. So it says groups of ones, but we're just going to say ones because we don't really group them. We kind of do, but not really because we group our tens together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's my group of 10. So we have one group of 10. So let me put this in here, or can I might be able to type in here. Yes, I can. So we have one group of tens. Oh no, that's in a weird place. So we have one group of tens. Now, how many ones do I have? Let's look. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 tens. I'm going to take this out because I don't like, I can't take that out. Okay, so I have 5 ones, and then I have one group of tens. So what is my number? So I got to think. All I'm just going to do is put my tens first, which is 1, because remember, I know my value is 10, but I have one group of 10. So I have 1 and then 5. So because that's where my ones place goes. And so we have 15 fish. Now I can check myself by counting them all up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Check. I got it. I just do that just to double check myself because I don't want to count by ones because we've already talked about counting by ones, how it can be so long. So we group ourselves into tens, our groups of tens, because remember counting by tens is the easiest. It goes by the fastest. And then whatever we have left over is our ones. So you're going to go onto your Jamboard and you are going to see some objects there, and you're going to do the same thing and you're going to group them. Now, I would love for you, and just because Ms. Sparks could not figure out how to do it on here, to circle your groups of tens. So when you circle your groups of tens, it's going to be much easier to see, but for some reason I cannot figure it out on here. But I always show you to circle your tens. So go ahead, head to your Jamboard and group your tens together, and then have your ones over to the side, and then figure out how many groups of tens that you have, how many ones, and then making the number.